If you've lost access to your crypto, but still have your seed phrase, you're in a better position than you might think. Let's dive right into what you need to know. First, understanding your seed phrase is crucial. This phrase is essentially your master key to your wallet. It's a series of words, usually 12 to 24, that can restore your wallet and give you access to your funds. Treat it like gold. Never share it with anyone and store it securely. If someone gets hold of it, they can access your crypto. Now let's prepare to import your wallet. You'll need a compatible wallet application. Popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or even hardware wallets like Ledger for added security. Make sure you download the official app from a trusted source to avoid phishing scams. Once you have your wallet set up, the import process is straightforward. Open the wallet app, look for the option to import or restore a wallet, and enter your seed phrase exactly as it appears. Be mindful of the order and spelling. Even a small mistake can lead to issues. After entering your seed phrase, your wallet should sync and you'll see your balance reflected. Next, let's talk about setting up Binance for receiving funds. If you don't have a Binance account, create one and complete the necessary verification steps. Once your account is ready, navigate to the Wallet section and find your USDT deposit address. This address is where you'll send your funds from your OKX wallet. Transferring USDT from OKX is simple. Log into your OKX account, go to your wallet, and select USDT. Choose the option to withdraw, then paste your Binance deposit address. Double-check that the address is correct. Sending funds to the wrong address can lead to irreversible loss. Choose the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your Binance account. Now let's troubleshoot some common issues. If your funds don't show up after a reasonable time, check the transaction status on the blockchain using your transaction ID. This will give you insights into whether the transaction was successful or if there were any issues. If there's a problem, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for either OKX or Binance. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Always enable two-factor authentication on your accounts to add an extra layer of protection. Be wary of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or provide your seed phrase to anyone. Regularly update your passwords and consider using a password manager to keep everything secure. As we wrap up, remember that the crypto landscape can be tricky, but with your seed phrase, you have the power to regain access to your assets. Stay informed, practice good security habits, and don't hesitate to seek help if you run into issues. Bonus tip: keep a backup of your seed phrase in a secure location like a safe to ensure you never lose access again.